DLTR stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether $3 stock is a buy or not for me. Looking at it right now, I mean, since last time I made the video, it's been pumping up, and that's exactly what I wanted to see the price actually give me. So let's zoom and see how this actually went. So good, because this absolutely did deliver. Let me show you the proof. A video that was made back in March 2 months ago. Said parties only got 9 views. I mean, come on. Come on, this was so on point. Like, look, I literally called it out. And yeah, it's just sad, honestly. And then after, well, I guess we've done all this sort of stuff and we just kind of kept pumping and pumping. But ultimately, I mean, this is recorded as a +3R. Just there. In this $3 stock, I'm looking to double down right again, because surely it's a bullish market. It's only for now and not forever, but last thing I'm doing is randomly buying. So only if it does pull down and gives me some sort of a shift, that's when I'm getting involved. Other than that, it's all pure noise. So if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.